Today we talk about how can you add link on your Threads app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click on this sign down here and you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just click here on edit profile, just click on it here. You come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just come here to link, you click on it. Then you come to this list, in here you edit link or add your link here. Then here can you import link from Instagram. So that's all you have to do. When you don't click in this sign, then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.